Hello. In this video we will cover how to power on and off the Prusa Mini 3D printer. We will also cover how to restart the printer when needed. To power on the Prusa Mini printer, locate the power socket that the Prusa's power plug is connected to, and switch it on. Make sure that it is the right power source. There may be other 3D printers, including other Prusa Mini printers, that could be connected to the same power extension. Then, locate the switch on the right side of the printer and switch it on. The printer's screen will turn on. Now the printer is ready to be used. To power off the Prusa Mini after printing, switch off the printer. The printer screen will promptly turn off. Next, switch off its respective power socket. Sometimes, you might have to restart the Prusa Mini by pressing the button beside the knob. You would do this in the event that the Mini becomes unresponsive, or if you need to perform an emergency stop. The printer will restart and boot up, before returning to the info screen.